Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing works first time. Sign in with the same Xbox account on the console and in the Xbox app, and make sure both are on the same network. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi or Ethernet for stability. On the console, open Settings, then Devices and Connections, choose Xbox app connectivity and enable connections. This exposes the option to generate a one-time pairing code. Once done, switch to the Xbox app and pick Add a Device to start entering that code. Now you perform the critical middle steps that actually create the link. On the console, select the option to use a code to connect and write down the 6-digit pairing code that appears. Codes expire quickly, so act fast. In the Xbox app, tap Add a Device, pick Console, and type the 6-digit code exactly as shown. Make sure you accept any prompt that appears on the console to confirm pairing. Once confirmed, the app will display the console's name and connection status. This is your cue to continue testing controls. Finish by validating functionality and applying a quick maintenance check. After pairing, test controller input or start remote play / streaming from the app to confirm the connection. Make sure the console is set to instant on for faster wake and to allow remote features. If the app asks, update the console firmware or the Xbox app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.